Important cities on rivers. Number one, the city Agra is on Jamuna River. Number two, the city Ahmedabad is on Sabarmati River. The city Allahabad is on the confluence of the Ganges, Jamuna and Saraswati. Ajodhya is on Saraju. Badrinath is on Alakananda. Bhagalpur is on the Ganges. Kotak is on Mahanadi River. Delhi is on Jamuna. Dibrugarh is on Brahmaputra. Gaya is on Phalgu River. Guwahati is on Brahmaputra River. Hyderabad is on Musi River. Jabalpur is on Narmada. Jaunpur is on Gomati. Kanpur is on the river the Ganges. Kolkata is on the river the Hooghly. Lucknow is on Gomati River. Mathura is on Jamuna River. Patna city is on the river the Ganges. Srinagar is on Jhelum River. Surat is on Tapti. Varanasi is on the Ganges. Vijayawada is on the Krishna River. Cairo is on the Nile. Khartoum is on the river Nile. Budapest is on Danube. London is on Thames. Madrid is on Manzanares. Paris is on Seine. Rome is on the Tiber River. Stockholm is on the river North Storm. Washington DC is on the river the Potomac.